Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about what is an operating system. So, operating system is nothing but it is an intermediary between the user and the computer. So, the user and the computer will interact with this operating system. So, what is the main goal of operating system? Means it executes user program and makes solving user programs easy, makes computer system convenient to use. So the user will be feeling better to use the computer, okay, with the help of operating system only. Then the use of computer hardware will be in an efficient manner. So the operating system will helps to allocate the resources to the user in an easier way. So this is operating system. Then what is the computer system structure? So how it will be? So computer system will be divided into four components. One is hardware, the second one is operating system, then application programs, then users. So these are the main four components of a computer system. The first is hardware, which includes the CPU, memory, IO devices, whatever hardware you are having in your computer. Then the operating system, which is going to coordinate between the user and the computer. Then the application programs are nothing but these are the programs which is used to solve the computing problems of the users. Okay, so it is used to solve the computing problems of the users. Example: word processors, compilers, web browsers, then video games, any. So this comes under the application programs. Then who are all the users? People who are using the computers are called the users, or machine. It may be sometimes the other machines which use the computer as well. Then these four components are assembled like this. The users will be using these application programs or system programs. Okay, then it is handled by the operating system, and the core is the computer hardware. What does the operating systems do? So it depends upon the systems. The user wants to use the system at easily. That is, the user needs to use the system easily, and it has to give the good performance. So it doesn't care about, the users will not care about the resource utilization. But the shared computer such as mainframe and mini computer must keep all users happy, as well as the resource utilization has to be at the best. The users of dedicated systems such as workstations have dedicated resources but frequently use shared resources from the server. Then the handheld computers use resources poor. Okay, so the resources which are present inside the system will be utilized. That is, it will be wasted. Some computers have little or no user interface, such as embedded computers in devices and automobiles. So it depends upon the systems. Then OS. What do you mean by OS? OS, that is the operating system, is the resource allocator. Whatever resource the system is having, it will be allocated by the OS. So it is going to manage all the resources which are present inside the computer. Then it is going to decide between the conflicting resources for efficient and fair use. Then OS will be also acting as a control program to control executions of programs to prevent errors, and improper use of computers will be done by the operating system. Then this operating system is everything. That is, the user and the computer will be interacting or interacted with the use of operating system. One program which is running all the time on the computer is called kernel. Okay, apart from the system programs and the application programs which which are used by the users, the kernel will be running whenever the computer is switched on. Then we need to know what is bootstrap program. Bootstrap program is nothing but it is a loader at power up or reboot. Whenever we reboot the system, this bootstrap programs will automatically starts. So it is typically stored in ROM or EEPROM, generally known as firmware. Okay, so it is stored in ROM, random read only memory. So initialization all aspects of system. So it is this at the starting of the computer, these bootstrap programs will start running. Then it loads the operating system kernel and starts execution. So this is the work of bootstrap program. That's all.